With increasing awareness about climate change and its impacts, more people are looking for ways to make their homes eco-friendly. In 2024, many simple and effective eco-friendly home hacks can help you save money and protect the planet. In this video, we will tell you some of the best eco-friendly home hacks to save your money and the planet. So make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Zero Waste Kitchen. Transforming your kitchen into a zero-waste space can have a big impact on the environment. Start by switching to reusable containers for food storage instead of using disposable plastic. These containers are durable, easy to clean, and great for the planet. Another excellent practice is composting kitchen scraps. This not only reduces landfill waste, but also creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. You can use this compost to grow your vegetables, creating a sustainable cycle. Additionally, consider using beeswax wraps instead of plastic wrap. Beeswax wraps keep food fresh without harming the environment, making them a perfect alternative. Number 2. Energy-efficient lighting. Reducing your energy consumption can be achieved in a few simple but effective ways. One of the easiest changes to make is swapping out traditional incandescent bulbs for energy-efficient LED or CFL bulbs. These modern bulbs not only last much longer than the old incandescent ones, but they also use significantly less energy, which helps lower your overall carbon footprint. In addition to changing your light bulbs, you can make a habit of turning off lights when they're not in use. This simple action can prevent unnecessary energy waste. Additionally, try to maximize the use of natural daylight to brighten your living spaces during the day. By opening curtains and blinds, you can let in plenty of natural light, reducing the need to use electric lighting. Number 3. Natural cleaning products. Many conventional cleaning products contain harmful chemicals that can be bad for both your health and the environment. Instead, try using natural cleaning alternatives. Ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can be combined to create effective, eco-friendly cleaning solutions. These natural cleaners are not only safer for your health, but also limit the release of harmful substances into the environment. Switching to natural cleaning products is a simple way to make your home healthier and more sustainable. Number 4. Water-saving fixtures. Reducing water consumption is a vital step in making your home more sustainable, and it can be easily achieved by installing water-saving fixtures in your bathrooms and kitchen. Consider adding low-flow faucets, shower heads, and dual-flush toilets. These fixtures are designed to conserve water without sacrificing performance, meaning you can still enjoy strong water pressure while using less water. By making these changes, you'll not only help the environment, but also lower your water bills, as you'll be using water more efficiently. Every drop counts when it comes to water conservation, and these fixtures make it simple to reduce your water usage. Number 5. Indoor plants. Adding indoor plants to your home is a wonderful way to improve air quality and create a lively, natural atmosphere. Plants like spider plants, snake plants, and peace lilies are particularly good at purifying the air. They absorb harmful pollutants and release oxygen, which helps promote a healthier environment inside your home. Besides their health benefits, indoor plants can also make your home look more attractive and inviting. The addition of greenery can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal, making your living space feel more vibrant and welcoming. Number 6. Solar panels. Installing solar panels is a great way to use solar energy and lessen your dependence on traditional power sources. While getting solar panels professionally installed can be pricey, there are cheaper solar panel kits that you can set up yourself. Using solar panels can significantly cut down on your electricity bills because you are generating your power from the sun. This not only saves you money, but also helps the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. Solar panels contribute to clean energy practices, making your home more sustainable. This switch to solar energy is a big step in creating a more eco-friendly home and a cleaner environment for everyone. Number 7. Reusable shopping bags. Reducing plastic waste is essential for protecting the environment, and one of the simplest ways to do this is by using reusable shopping bags. Instead of relying on single-use plastic bags, which often end up in landfills or oceans, you can switch to reusable bags that are both sturdy and eco-friendly. To make this habit easier, keep a stash of reusable bags in your car or near the door so you remember to take them with you whenever you go shopping. This simple action not only promotes a more sustainable lifestyle, but also sets a positive example for others to follow, contributing to a cleaner and healthier planet for future generations. Number 8. Eco-friendly insulation. Upgrading your home's insulation with eco-friendly materials can enhance energy efficiency and comfort. Consider using insulation made from recycled materials like denim, sheep's wool, or cellulose. These materials are not only effective but also environmentally friendly. Proper insulation helps keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer, reducing the need for excessive heating or air conditioning. This can lead to significant energy savings and a more sustainable home. That's all for now. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or DM us on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Also, subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide for more amazing videos. Thank you.